Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Libras, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. Libras, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energy, this is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity, Libras, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general energy, guys. So let's start with these cards here, Libras. So we have Nine of Wands in reverse, Emperor, and Eight of Pentacles in reverse. So with these cards, guys, in your situation today, it may be in your career or it may be in your personal life, in your relationship. You are maybe facing a lot of difficult situation, guys, lot of stress, troubles in your career or delays, suspensions in your career, some kind of troubles in your relationship. Maybe a lot of arguments or a lot of stressful things are happening in your life today, and maybe you feel that you cannot trust anyone and they do not have that honest intentions towards you. They have their own they are selfish, they are concerned only about themselves and they are not at all concerned about you. You may feel, and you are stressed, you feel that you cannot trust anyone and there is no one to trust, and maybe you feel the same way with this person you love. The reason, maybe you are someone who has lofty aspirations or ideals and you stick by those rules or ideals that you have, but when people around you, when they do not follow your ideals or when they don't have belief in such a strict way of dealing in their situation, you feel that you cannot trust them. You feel that they do not have that capacity or skill like you, and you cannot trust them to make the right choice. So some kind of worries because of that, some kind of stress because of that, guys. And you are someone who is strict, who follows strictly the rules you have for yourself. So again, because of the way you are and because of the way people are in your situation, it is creating a lot of chaos, and things are not going as expected for you. Some difficulties because of that, guys, Libras. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Ace of Cups in reverse. So with this card, it just means that you love this person, you have an understanding to a certain level, but you feel that something is missing. You do not know enough about them and the way they are speaking or the way they are behaving, that you cannot trust them, and you feel that there is no one to trust for you. Maybe this person or your friends or family, there is no one to speak your heart, and you are feeling really lonely and stressed again, guys. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys, Libras. We have Page of Wands in reverse, guys. So with this card, again, there is some kind of an announcement reaching you in your career situation, maybe, or it may be in your life. It may even be something to do with your relationship. So for some of you, it may be something bad, guys, again increasing your stress and worries. Libras, these cards are all of something negative in your situation, but we need not worry. These are just cards. Let's have hope and faith in a better future. Maybe these cards are just pointing us towards the things that we need to make some correction, guys. So if we go for that, if we understand what it is, we can rectify our situation, guys. So we need not feel sad because we have all negative cards here. If you want more clarity, Libra, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. So this is your first choice and this is your second choice. So whatever questions or doubts you have in your mind, you can think about it and choose the card. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card. I will keep this card aside. Let's see what is the card for y'all, for those who have chosen this first card. We have not. So with this card, guys, maybe sometimes we try really hard, we do everything possible within our limit, and we desire for certain things, but no matter how hard we try, the results we seek sometimes elude us, and it is as if we are watching the game from the sidelines. And maybe the appearance of this card just indicates that we are not going to get what we are dreaming for. Maybe our dreams will be fulfilled in a different way, guys. So whatever happens, you need to have that acceptance. That is the energy. So sometimes we face rejection, and we need to understand that rejection is a form of God's protection towards us, guys. So maybe only the right things will reach us. The same way in our relationship, sometimes even in the beginning of the relationship, we may feel that that relationship is bound to move towards failure, guys. And sometimes it may be because certain red flags that appear in that beginning escape our observation, or we refuse to acknowledge them. So we need to understand that certain relationships are not meant to be, and it is not possible for us to make it be just like we dream, guys. So rejection is a sign from the divine that you are protected. And if you are in a situation to reject this person, remember that you are doing that for both your welfare, guys, for your good and for that other person's welfare too. And there is a perfect match for each and every one of us. We should not forget that. Maybe this person may not be our best fit. So sometimes maybe you are interested in someone, or you are in a relationship with somebody, and maybe there are troubles in this connection. You need to understand that if you feel that it is not going to work, you can stop making it work, guys, and see where things are going with this connection. So that is the energy with this card. For those who have chosen this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this crystal and this card, it is black tourmaline. So with this card in your situation, guys, it just stands for healthy boundaries, guys. So when we have good fences, we make good relationships. So the appearance of this card just means that we have to know when is the time to be alone and when is the time to be together. And if you are feeling tired lately, maybe somewhat bored or somewhat lethargic or tired, you need to understand that you are neglecting yourself at some given level, and you are giving too much, maybe suffering from empathy, or suffering or depending on someone too much, maybe that may be the reason. You have to see what it is. And you should not yearn love through self sacrifice, guys, or not feel overwhelmed in your relationship. So, this is the time for that. This is the time, maybe you are even matched with your soulmate, but whatever it is, you need time for yourself. You need time for yourself and time to give that other person freedom and time to enjoy certain things together. Maybe you need to spend time alone or spend time with your friends or do something alone. That is going to help you in a better way, guys, make you more relaxed in your relationship and make you more fulfilling and nurturing in this connection. So you need to understand where you need to stop your indulgence on that other person or their indulgence on you. So that is the reading with this card, guys, with this crystal spirit. That is the energy. And thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.